This week, we take you inside a freshly completed design and built 5-story detached home by Rezt and Relax that's a whopping 11,000 square feet, took 3.5 million and 18 months to complete. Okay guys, so today we have with us Wilson Tay, which is our Rezt and Relax 老板. So they have helped us to build up this beautiful bungalow. Later he's going to take us inside an intricate home tour and talk to us about all the interesting renovation facts. This reno tour is going to consist of how they build up the place and all the intricate details.
Hi everyone, I'm Wilson here from Rezt and Relax. Rezt and Relax have started in 2000 year. Today mark our 23rd year in Singapore. So basically, we do rebuild and also ID. So we are actually a one-stop design and build company.
So 老板, across these 12 months, how many houses have you guys built?
Because of you are doing this rebuild down here, right? Most of the neighbors down here, they also come and take a look. So in this 12 months, right, I have already rebuilt 3 houses at this area. Because as you know, right, to build a house, minimum you need 3 million, 2 million, or you take a few million. So you need to get someone that actually not only trust, but to see the work of the job.
And that is probably also why we have come to work with Rezt and Relax. I think Singapore and Rezt and Relax go back from 2019, so many years we recommended our clients to do HDB, condo, all the way to landed home A&A. And today we are going to find out why Rezt and Relax is so highly recommended among friends. Okay, 老板, without further ado, let's share with them about the project facts.
So Nick, right, so back then, right, this owner, right, is actually recommended from a friend. Secondly, right, why the owner buy this house, you know why? Because the location is very good.
Okay.
They has a very nice school down here. And the most important thing, you know why not? They come in the right price before the dynamic.
So then back then when the owner got this place, what is the condition of the house?
It's actually a 2.5-story bungalow with all cement finishing and paintworks. I think they never fully use the area of the whole house. So I think this is one of the main problems.
Then what was the solution that you start to?
We need to cater 3代同堂 together. So you need to have a place for the father, mother, and also for the daughter and the son. And of course, 他的孙子也是很重要. And also the helper. So we build it up to 5 levels. We have 11 bedroom, 11 bathroom. And also we have 2 roof terrace, 5 balcony, and 1 swimming pool. And of course, we have a KTV room at level 5 and a private lift to all floor.
So let's start the home tour inside this humongous living room with this double volume high ceiling. So Wilson, why was this designed this way?
Okay, basically why we do it this way, right? Most important is because of this lighting can come in from the sea. And of course, right, we want to have a very grand living area. That's why we design a very long frontage for this house.
And then you got double volume high ceiling over here that opens up into this big endless view.
Right.
You got the dry kitchen down here and then it comes all the way into the wet kitchen,
That's
which is
right.
private behind.
Yes. So this is all well planned, right, before we build. Yeah, actually we will come here and see, take a look also, like afternoon, you can see where's the sunlight, what time the sunlight come out, what time the sunlight go off. So we have a dining area for the family and also a dry kitchen.
So is that why you built the pool at this slanted angle?
Yes, because they can enjoy you see bro.
为什么这个游泳池是这样子斜过去的？
This part, right, is the most challenging part, the out corner. Because the shape is irregular 嘛，它的这是三角形嘛 ，so we actually create a swimming pool here.
That's why 你连着那个 swimming pool to the side.
Yes.
And then even all the way to the corner down there 可以用。
So this swimming pool is all the way from here behind and join to this side. So Nick, you know why we have this place down here? No? Okay, this one very simple. This one is for their sun kia when they want to play, right? Very simple. You know what they play? No? You open up the leg and sit down here and play the water. So that's why down here also one of the play group lah. That's why they have actually a cozy area outside.
So this full decking is all for them to do their outdoor activities lah.
Yes, right.
Then what about this front porch area?
Basically, they want to have more space and bigger frontage. That's why you can see we design this way. So they can park at least 6 cars lah.
Wow, fantastic.
Alright.
And what were the materials selected?
Okay, the material selected for this, right, is actually we ordered from China. It's tiger skin granite. Don't slip, and also it's tough and it's very solid.
Very resilient lah.
Yes.
So very durable. And then they even did this feature wall over here.
Yeah, so this one I think is called a bookmark select cut. Bookmark means that the whole marble, right, come with joint part. Like 一幅画这样, we call that bookmark.
Multiple pieces to make one continuation.
Slab cut means that this whole piece of marble, right, is slab cut.
From a singular slab.
That's why you can see different size one. Maybe it's 900, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, this frontage, right, again, My homeowner want to have more light. So that's why even the roof, right, we are using tinted glass.
So it can protect from the sunlight lah.
Yes, correct. So it can bring down the heat also. So you see when my owner come back, right, they feel very large. So this frontage is very important.
Turning angle is huge because your gate is so wide.
Yeah, so this gate, right, to make a big gate like that, right, we need to do a lot of submission. So this one all can be done before we do lah. Like what I'm trying to say, you submit, 你做好了 then 你去 submission 咯 then we wait啦. So 我们在做的时候也在 submit. So now let me show you the second story. Let's go.
Please lead the way. And if you've been enjoying this video so far, kindly smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos just like this, and kindly share them with your friends because a little goes a long way.
Okay, so Nick, take a look down here. Wow, nice or not?
Fantastic. So 我们这边是它的 Mezzanine Level.
Right, so what I like down here is the lighting from here. Direct come to the dining and also the back kitchen.
So bro, what was the original design and plan for this room over here?
Oh, so basically this one, right, is actually a karaoke room. Yeah, or the entertainment room. But guess what? After the sun come in and see, right? He like this area, so become his bedroom.
I see. And then what's this balcony over here?
This balcony, right, is actually a common area. Basically, it's also a very cozy area, which is a long balcony area.
So the whole main point of this level is actually this outdoor space lah.
Yes, the outdoor space down here, and also you can see the swimming pool, people swimming down here. Down here is the place that the house, the odd area is here. So you use this part as a balcony area.
And you open up the space and you even create this see-through window go down.
Yes. So this one also will help a lot of light will go in the house. That's why the owner like this design very much because of the lighting cater for this house from in front and also the side way. 只要有墙的地方哦，我都尽量给它有玻璃哦，那个灯光可以进去。
了解。连它外面全部都是 deck up 的。
Yeah, it's all balcony, back up like they have cozy area, sit down here to relax, have coffee, everything.
So I noticed that the decking is not exactly timber. What is this?
This is called composite wood. Selling price is around at $20 to $23 per square feet. I think people will like this type of composite wood, right, is because they don't need to grind and the color won't fade. 它不会握，它也不会 bend， 而且颜色也不会退。
So in comparison to wood, 那个 what is the 优点 of wood?
Wood is like natural, then you can revarnish. Some people they like those natural finishing 嘛 ，it more cozy 啦。
现在上去3楼吗？
Okay. So now you can take a look, right? This is actually the timber floor. The floor level have to be very, very
even.
Yeah, if not, right, later you install, you have this issue on the joining part.
So why sometimes there's the issue that the wood is hollow leh?
Okay, the wood hollow, I think, is because sometimes the base, right, the ground is not flat enough, and the parquet never 100% sit on top. This is the timber floor. You can see, right, it's very flat down here.
Right. What kind of material is this?
So this is the long strip parquet.
So this space was designed as a?
As you can see, this board, right, is for their Sun Kia to study here. A small study open area like the tuition here, study here. Basically, it's homework area, right?
Then outside still got balcony.
Yes. So for this house, right, most of the room outside will cater a small area for the balcony. Basically, this level is all the children area. Yeah, so my homeowner got 3 daughters. So this one is the first one, the room is the daughter room. So they have actually designed a study area down here. And also you have a nice lighting coming from here.
So then 这边还有多一个房间，也是 kids room.
For the 2 daughter one.
I see.
Take a look. Wow, 2 daughter room, and we still have a nice area for them to play here.
You got play area, you got piano area, 2个 single bed. Then 它的厕所呢？
厕所啊 ，make a guess 在哪里？
Concealed 的。
Let me show where's the toilet. Okay, Nick, tell me where's the toilet here?
因为我卖很多屋子了。I guess this one.
So this is a toilet. Yeah, so Nick, right, we have one more master bedroom down here. So this is the place.
Very good size. Let's go up to level 3.
Sure, come, let's go. Yeah, so Nick, down here got 3 more rooms. Let me show you. Come.
So this is exactly the same layout as the one we just viewed last, like a junior master.
Yes, right. So it's the same layout.
And he has a balcony on his own.
Yes.
Railing is stainless steel, then you got.
Tempered glass.
Then 中间这边有一个 window.
这个 window 呢，就是它的 wardrobe area.
Wardrobe area?
Walk-in wardrobe. Let me show you. 有，在这边。So this is the walk-in wardrobe area. Toilet. So this is the master bedroom. So you can take a look. This is the marble look-alike porcelain tiles.
Wow, looks like real one. Huh? Very good workmanship. Then you got the countertop, designer bath.
Yes, and also the most important is what? Natural light again. Let me show you the master bedroom. So you can take a look for this bedroom, right? We have a very large bedroom. The same thing, we have a balcony outside.
所以我们这边是 lift landing。
Yeah, so lift landing. So 我问你，你看这个 design 这个地方是做什么的？
哇，看起来好像 workout mat、gym apparatus。
这边就是 yoga area。
哇塞，来，
做的 gym area。
救我一下。
Down here you see， 一面做 yoga， 一面拿 gym， 一面看风景 ，natural light。我在design这个家的时候 ，right， 就是看中这个地方哦，很长。所以我决定把这个最高的这一层楼做成一个 entertainment room。So
that 你的 guest 可以全部出来。
Yes, that's why we never plan the master bedroom 在上面。你 imagine 啊，你过年过节20-30个人来的时候，全部可以在这边 gathering。
跟对面是什么？
对面的话 ，right 是它的 guest room。
然后左边呢？
你知不知道？就是我们的 Karaoke Room。
Karaoke 加买 Netflix room 啊。
对，这边就是他们的 Happy Room 啦。还有一个很重要的地方。bar counter 在这边。
你的 flavor 是吗？
没有啦，我很少喝。So I think this is a very good combination 啊 ，whereby the whole family 可以在这边有他们的时间，而且呢，like I mentioned 这整个屋子的屋型 right， 就是因为它有一个很长的 frontage 嘛，所以他们也是可以去外面透透气，看看风景再进来。这间就是他们的 Happy Room， 而且这边不可能再建高楼了嘛，所以很漂亮。所以 actually 我们在 build 屋子的时候，真的要来看这边的地方，然后我们要跟着它的水位来做屋子这样子。
So how big is this room?
Probably around 600 square feet.
600 square feet， 新的 condo 的2房了嘞。
2房对 ，That's why this area is very good. I mean, big enough to cater for family gathering or friend gathering also can.
3代同行。
Yeah, so 3代的人坐在这边呢。
Rezt and Relax vibe.
Right.
所以Wilson，你们早期为什么进来这一行呢？
It's actually the excitement 啦。Yeah， 因为我们在这一行 as an ID for more than 15 years already 嘛。So we decided to challenge ourselves lah, to do rebuild. So I think me keep on moving on, right? Because 你从一个平地嘛，then 你建上来，而且 you can see a lot of like our design input inside. And just now when you come in, you see the uncle say, right? Uncle say that he's very happy that every day he sit at the living area, right? There's lighting coming naturally. So this is what 我们的 happiness 啦 whatever 我们做的东西 then homeowner they love it and like it 可以让我一直前进就是我有达到顾客的他们的梦想啦 Our job is very 神奇that we can fulfill people dream fulfill people 的 lifestyle like we can improve people lifestyle because of our good planning.
And that brings us to the end of this home tour. If you're looking for a rebuild or A&A project, please look for Mr. Wilson Tay and Rezt and Relax because they'll be more than happy to be helping you with your costing and your build-up planning because this can help you navigate your landed pitfalls. I'm Nick Tan, selling Singapore.
I'm Wilson from Rezt and Relax.
And we'll see you soon. Okay guys, so today we have
So who you guess who is living here?
Don't want to guess.
这是讲你。
这不是 guest room
这不是 guest room 啦，这是他的 walk-in wardrobe。